In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Patreon. Whether you're a creator or a supporter, being able to quickly access your Patreon account is really important. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and I'll also point out a few things to look out for so you don't get stuck along the way. First, open your web browser on your computer, tablet, or phone and go to the Patreon website. You can do this by typing patreon.com into the address bar at the top of your browser and pressing enter. Make sure you go directly to the official site, not a search ad or a different URL, so you know you're in the right place and your information stays secure. When the page loads, you should see the main Patreon landing page with options for discovering creators and learning about memberships. Next, look towards the top right corner of the page. Up there, you'll see a button labeled Login, usually right next to a Get Started button. Go ahead and click on Login. This will take you to the dedicated login page, where Patreon gives you several different ways to sign in. On the login page, you have a few options. You can continue with Google, Apple, or Facebook, or you can log in with an email address and password. Choose the option that matches how you originally created your Patreon account. For example, if you signed up with Google, click the Continue with Google button. If you used email when you first created your account, type that same email into the email field and follow the prompts. Using the same method you used at sign up is important. Otherwise, Patreon may not recognize your account. If you selected a social login like Google, a small window or a new tab will open showing the accounts available on your device. Click on the account that's associated with your Patreon profile. If you're not already signed into that service, you might be asked for your password or for a quick verification step. Just complete what it asks for, and then you'll be redirected back to Patreon. Once that's done, you should find yourself on your Patreon homepage, fully logged in. From here, you can browse creators, manage your memberships, or access your creator tools if you run your own page. And that's all there is to it. Go to the Patreon site, click login, choose the correct sign-in method, pick your account, and you're in.